Hi, to install apps from unknown sources on Xiaomi 13, go in the phone settings first, and from here select the tab which is named Security and Privacy. After that, scroll till the very bottom of the page and go in More Security and Privacy Settings. Now select Special Permissions and just find the section Install Unknown Apps, and here it is. Now you'll see this list from which you can select something, for example Google Chrome, and now you can allow to install something from this source by tapping on the switcher. But we got this pop-up warning that install apps from unknown sources is a highly sensitive permission. If you grant it, your private information might be leaked and your property might be at risk. So if you want to take this risk, just tap here that you are aware of the possible risks and then confirm by pressing OK button. And now you can install something from Google Chrome. Of course, you can do just the same with any other app from the list, even calculator. And to disable it, we will need to find Google Chrome again and just tap on the switcher. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.